friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and welcome to Shuffle, Cut, Create for the month of July. This is an open collaboration that you are welcome to join into. Just please tag me, if you will, Creating with Jovi. This was originally started by Martha Makes Art, so thank you, Martha. We're going to go ahead and shuffle and then cut the deck and figure out what our prompts are this month. In my, I don't know, could we call this a glue book? I'm not really sure. I'm still not clear on that, even though that's something I want to dive into one day. But I'm working in this notebook where I've been creating my swap and glues and my shuffle cut creates and more of my collage creations. I'm writing on the back of each one just to tell a little bit about it. And I thought this would be a fun way when I look back to remember what I was doing, why I was doing it, and if I had any particular feelings about it. So I want to mention, if you do something like this, it's kind of a nice place to keep your collages. And I am removing about 3 pages for every collage page that I make. And I'm doing that because these pages we end up layering, right? And it's going to take up a bit more space in the notebook. So this way it creates that additional space for our art pieces. To refresh real quick, our July prompts are gentleman and airplane. All right, my friends, so I've got this fantastic cut up this book and I thought I would utilize this in today's collage. I'm going to do a collage and I thought I'd go ahead and use this, and I did a flip through of this not too long ago and I saw that there was background pages inside, and I thought that would be super cool to use if I could. So let's see, airplane and gentleman, right? So let's have a little look here. We could do this one, and there's already a guy in the picture, so we could do this one. Not so much this one, we need to have space for the airplane, or we could do this one. But I'm thinking, or we could do this one actually, but I'm thinking for some reason I kind of like this one. So I don't know, let's give it a try, okay, my friends? There's a little cut line. It's not perforated or anything, but it shows where you can cut it. I'm gonna see if I can just sort of slice it down the page here with my scissors, and it might score it enough so that I can tear it out in a relatively straight line. Let's hope. Let's see how that did, if it worked or not. Oh yeah, it did perforate it. All right, let's give it a try and get it started here and hold the paper down. There we go. Oh, that worked out great. All right, so we know that we're going to use that for our background. Now we need gentleman and airplane. So let me see what I can find. All right, my friends, if we want to add some fun scale to this project, I think we could add this butterfly, and he'll look really big, and I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So we've got this guy. I'm sorry, not butterfly, but caterpillar. That's going to be a lot of fun. And I was thinking we could do a butterfly, but for the sky, let's focus and see if we can find an airplane. I think no matter what, we could definitely get a bird into the collage here. So let me go ahead and cut this guy out, and we'll figure out where we want to put him later on. It might be fun to have this tiger peeking onto the page, coming in from the side of the page. The angle of his face is perfect. So let's go ahead. I feel like I'm cutting 2 pages here. Yeah, I was. So let's go ahead and cut this guy out. I think we could definitely work him in. I cut out this wild boar because there's actually a hunter in that background scene, so we're going to add this guy. There's a tree in the scene, and I found this little monkey I think that we could balance on a branch. All right, my friends, I found a couple of different airplanes, and I think I'll go ahead and use this big yellow one right here. All right, my friends, the first thing I need to do is get this background page to the correct size. So I folded it here, gonna fold it again, and then I'm just gonna tear it. And then I need to get the side torn off. I'm keeping the tree because I like that there's some height over here in the collage. So over on this side, again, folding it. That's pretty good. This is now ready to be adhered onto the page. I've got my glue stick here. I'm gluing the base paper down a few inches at a time, just because I'm afraid the glue stick will dry before I can get it on the entire page. And then I went ahead and cut out some additional images so that we could just have fun placing them on the paper. All right, my friends, I wanted to make sure that I added some color to this collage, and I'm actually going to add this leaf on here as well, just to add a little dimension. Oh, you know what? Maybe I want to save this leaf in case I want something peeking out from behind it. So let's not glue that down yet. I cut out the little monkey, my friends, and I'm going to add a little bit of ink because, you know, I couldn't get all of the white areas off. I'm using my big scissors for cutting, and he's pretty small and detailed. But adding the ink will help so that those little white edges won't show up quite so much. Now originally, my friends, this tree was taller and there was a branch like up here, and that's where I was going to put him. But I resized the page, of course. So now I'm thinking maybe what we do is pop him over here on top of this leaf. I think that looks pretty cute. So I'm going to grab my glue stick and try to get some glue on him without tearing off his little legs. Actually, let me get a piece of paper here, put him on top of this. There we go. Now I can get the glue on him without getting glue all over my my collage page. All right. Let's see if we got it good here. There we go. And we'll pop him right on top of this leaf. I think that's pretty cute. There, what do you guys think about that? All right, my friends, let's get our airplane in place. I'm gonna put it right here. Should I put it in the middle or off to the side? I probably should put it off to the side, but I was gonna try to put that bird over here. We may have to redo some things a little bit simply because of the scale of the collage. It has changed a little bit, so we're gonna improvise. All right, my friends, I was going to add the caterpillar to the mountain, but now we've got the big flower in play. So I'm thinking I'm not gonna do that, but I thought it could be funny to have him climbing up this tree because he's so big and I love it. Like maybe he's chasing after that airplane. All right, my friends, we have a wild boar here, so I'm gonna set him on top of these rocks. And now, my friends, we're gonna place our gentleman down. Now, I could have chosen a gentleman that was wearing a suit, but I decided that I was gonna go with this one because I thought it was really funny. All right, my friends, so I'd like to work the tiger in, but I want to add some flowers here to the edge and have him sort of peeking in like this over the flowers. And then I'm probably going to have a couple more flowers that I add, but let's get this tiger on first. All right, so he's peeking in over the flowers. He's in front of the caterpillar. And then we're gonna add these flowers. I chose these flowers that have a little bit of orange in them to pull some orange from the other side and brighten up the page a little bit. All right, so we got that one there. And let's get this one over here or here. Let's see. So we could put it right here, and I'll just cut off the edge once everything's dry. Okay, I think I like that. Of course, we'll have to trim this off so it looks straight. So just to fill in a little bit over here in this corner, I'm going to add this leaf. Remember this one that we saved? Just in case. Well, there we go. I'm gonna put that right there. Remember the bird that I was gonna put in the tree? Well, the airplane's kind of over there near the tree. So I thought we'd go ahead and put the bird hanging out on this giant sunflower as if it was a tree. All right, my friends, I am going to add a little bit of Stickles. I'm not gonna get crazy with it. Well, I say that, and I'll try not to, but I definitely am going to add some just for a little extra flair. All right, my friends, what do you think? I love how this collage turned out. We definitely have our airplane, and we definitely have our gentleman. And then we have all kinds of other goodness here, and I love it. I'm really crazy about it. And so remember, I actually used this book. If I can, I'll go ahead and link this in my description box in case you wanted one. But this is just great fun. Let me show it to you up close. You can see the Stickles. I always like to show it to you up close so you can kind of see the shiny Stickles. They're not dry yet. They'll dry a little bit flatter, but they'll be just as sparkly. So tell me, do you like this collage? Would you have added Stickles, or would you have done some other sort of mixed media? What would you have done differently? I hope you can join in. If you do, please tag me, Creating with Jovi. I would love to see your make, whether it's collage, mixed media, or even something different from that. A greeting card, it can be anything you want. So I hope that you'll tag me, and go check out Martha Makes Art channel because she is the original creator of this collab, and I always want to give a shout out to Martha. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.